Hello, today we'll be solving another problem of Codeforces, that is yet another two integers problem. The question statement given here is you are given two integers a and b. In one move, you can choose some integer k from 1 to 10 and add it to a or subtract it from a. In other words, you choose an integer k which belongs to a set of 1 to 10 and perform a is equals to a plus k or a is equals to a minus k. We can use different values of k in different moves, and we have t-test cases which ranges from 1 to 2 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 4, and the only test case here will be a and b, which ranges from 1 to 10 to the power 9. Let's take an example of it. There are 6 test cases, so yes, let's take an example of 13 and 42 here. So we have 13 and 42 as an integer. A is equals to 13 and b is equals to, what was it, 42. So a is equals to 13 and b is equals to 42, and we need to form 42 from 13. This is what we want. So what is the difference of this? So we'll just check the difference. What integer do we need to add in 13 to get 42? So if I subtract this from this should give me 9 and 312. So this should be 29. So in 13 we need to add 29 to get 42. And how do we do that? We can use a greedy approach, and in greedy approach we'll add 10 that many times to get the required number, and whatever the remainder is left, that will be added to that to get the remaining required number. So I'll just divide this by 10, so it's 2, and we should get 20 here. So we'll get 20 from here, and the remainder is 9. So we can add 10 two times and add the remainder one times. So then we'll be getting an answer as 3. And let's check the answer. It should be 3. Where is it? Yeah, it's here. So it's 3. So this is the answer. And let's check the code out. So we have taken the number of test cases, simple, and we have input two numbers, and here I have checked the difference of the two numbers. This is what we were doing here, a minus b, and I have taken the absolute value so as to prevent any negative numbers. So that is what you have done. I have taken the remainder of it. So if there is such case that in which we find the remainder to be 0, then I'll just return whatever the integer value here I've got and not take the integer right there. So let's suppose if we get some number like maybe 5, or just let me just take 5, and let's take 10 here. Okay, so what is the difference? Okay, let me just take this as 15, so this will be better. So what is the difference here? The difference is 10. This is what our difference is, and we need to divide it by 10 as usual, and we'll get 1 here. So we do not get any integer as a remainder. So this one is how many operation we have to perform, that is our quotient here. So this is what I have done. So if our whatever the difference is divisible by 2, then we'll just just return the quotient, or else we'll be returning the quotient plus remainder. That is our answer. So what is our quotient? The quotient is this, and whatever the remainder is, that means our remainder will be one more. That is our steps we need to do. So this is my step from here. So there will be two steps, and at the down, if we get a remainder, that means we need to add it to that number, so it will give me one more step. So I'll be adding 1 to it if there's a remainder. If not, then I'll be just returning the quotient. That will be the number of steps to get that difference. That is what I've done here. I've just taken out the remainder. The remainder is not 0, then I'll be doing this. If the remainder is 0, I'll just simply return that part, and I'll just take the test cases one more. So actually I've taken the test cases here. I'll just take it again because I may have tried some combinations here. Let's see, this is what I should get. Obviously I've already taken it, and let's just see if it's run or not. Okay, come on. It's taking so much time for what I don't know. What's happening, and it's not running. Okay, I'll just delete this output again and run the program again. For some reason it was not running, and just wait for the answer to come. Okay, so yes, I've got the answer here, and I'll show the code that I've submitted is the same one. Okay, so let's see. So this is the code, exactly the same one from here, and it runs perfectly fine. Thank you for watching.